Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you and tell you how you can change the privacy of your Instagram story from close friends to public. Please subscribe to our channel, put likes, write your comments, and let's get to our topic. So, first of all, we're going to open the Instagram app. Next, we're going to need to create a story. And let's say we're going to select a certain photo. And in order to put it up for our close friends, we click on the green sign. And now we can see that a green circle has appeared around the photo. That means that our story has been added for close friends. We can view it. And there will also be this kind of green sign at the top that shows that the story is for close friends. So, what can we do? We can, for example, edit the people who will see this story. When we open it up, we click on this green sign at the top. And this will open up a list of people who have already been added to our close friends list. We can either add someone from the list below, or we can, for example, find someone from the people that we're going to search for in the search box. We can select someone from them as well, or we can also, for example, remove someone who can see our story, and then we click Done. These are the kind of changes we can make to the story for close friends. But if you want to make it public and you try to do that, pause. When you go to History, at the bottom, click on the three dots. And after you click Add More, you choose History Settings. Here you can look for how to change the private story, but unfortunately there's no such thing on Instagram. And in order to make the story public, you'll unfortunately have to delete it. You also click Add More, Delete Story, Delete. And now you'll just have to expose again this photo, but not to your close friends, but just by clicking on the arrow. And then you click Share. It's done. And as you can see, now our story is now in red. That means it's now public. I hope you found today's video helpful. You saw how you can change the privacy of your Instagram story from close friends to public. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, please put your likes, write your comments, and until new meetings, friends.